Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you all must be taking very good care of yourselves too. Very good. So as you all know, in our previous class what we were discussing was we did syllables, we did compound words as well. Alhamdulillah, I'm sure कि आप लोगों को कुछ problems नहीं होंगी. To get rid of any problem and any confusions, you have to keep going through the previous videos. Just don't get relaxed that if you are not able to understand anything, you are not going to do anything for it. No, you have to do something. Go and do a little bit research, take parents help from your parents, go through the previous videos, go through your book, go through the videos. I'm sure it will be very helpful for you, and you can ask to your teachers as well. Send them voice notes, inshallah it will be very helpful. So are you guys ready to start working on creative writing? Please take out your books, page number 94, and let's get started. All right. So what is the topic for creative writing today in this chapter? Do you know how to get home from school? क्या आप जानते हैं स्कूल से घर कैसे जाया जाता है? Yes. Can you give directions from your school to your home? क्या आप अपने स्कूल से अपने घर की डायरेक्शन दे सकते हैं? Can you give directions from your school till your home? Try to tell your class how to get to your home from school. You have to write a creative writing in such a creative way that you are telling your class fellows to come to your home from the school, and you have to direct them, you have to give them directions of your school. Okay, you will need to use words like right, left, turn, go, straight. Obviously you are going to use these words because you are giving them directions and you have to direct them. Come right and then take left, and there will be a turnaround. You have to take a U-cut, then go straightly, then turn to left or right. This is the way we give directions to other people once they are coming, like when they are coming home or then they are visiting our home, right? You will need to use words like right, left, turn, go, straight. You can try giving directions to any other places as well. अब आपको जब एक दफ़ा पता चल जाएगा कि how you're going to give directions, you can give the direction of other places as well, right? Very good. You have to write a narration map which is given here. First of all, you will start writing the creative writing with 3 paragraphs. The number 1 paragraph is going to be about the title, the topic, the title of creative writing. That maybe आप ये लिख सकते हैं calling my friends for birthday party or calling my friends to do project at my home. Keep in mind, I want you all to एक चीज़ करते हैं, use your mind and जो टॉपिक आप लिखना चाहते हैं लिखें. बस ये होना चाहिए कि आपने डायरेक्शन देनी है. It could be for anything. आप समझते हैं कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को किसी चीज़ के लिए बुला लेते हैं, आप उसके थ्रू लिख दें. कोई ये कह सकता है I was calling my friend to come and stay at my home and it was my birthday party, so I was giving the invitation to my whole class after school to come to my place for celebration or to complete the project at my home. There are so many points and you all are mashallah very smart, and use your own mind and try to find the perfect topic for yourselves. Okay, number 1 is going to be the title, and you will start writing from the title, and then the next paragraph is going to be about the introduction. Okay, and introduction you can write about it. I've just told you an observation, 3 paragraphs. Now this is a map. How, what, when, where, which, why. Okay, that how you're going to call them, how you're going to guide them, what is maybe you can think about it, why you are calling them at your place, and why they're coming, what is the reason behind calling them to your home, and giving them direction. Maybe you want them to do lunch at your place. Your mama has made some delicious, she had prepared some delicious food for your class fellows, and you are calling them to come home after the school. So that's why you're giving directions to them. When? After school. You call them after school. Where? You can and where it is going. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे where लिखा है, यहाँ पे obviously आपका एड्रेस आएगा, द डिफेंस फेज 6 और गुलशन ब्लॉक 4, गुलशन ब्लॉक 8. Okay? Which or who and why? So these are some points. You can write around like 150 words or 200. You can write one page as well, because you are just starting to write it. So write it down, inshallah, and then submit to your class teacher. It is going to be very interesting, inshallah. Take parents' help from your parents as well, from your class students or your siblings. It is going to be very helpful. Discussion is very good. Okay, so we will meet in next class. Don't forget to submit your homeworks to your teachers on time. Goodbye.